everybody. Otelia here from Madison Eats Food Tours. It is time for our episode of the easiest summer drink ever. We're going to make a radler, and what I learned is that a radler and a shandy are basically the same thing. Shandy is from England originally, 2 parts beer to 1 part soda, and radler is sort of the German counterpart, and sometimes people make it even 50-50. Beer and some kind of soda or soft drink. So we're doing a ginger beer radler. We have ginger from Top Note Tonic, and we have beer from Ale Asylum. And basically, we're gonna mix them together. I also like to squeeze a little bit of lemon into my radler, and it's super delicious. And I'm not like a beer drinker, and I really like this. So go. Let's start with the beer. It's my stellar bartending skills right there. And I like the half and half ratio because I prefer less beer in my life. So this fits the bill. I'm adding about the same amount of ginger beer. Garnish it with a little lemon wedge. That's a really big lemon wedge, actually. That's okay. And that's a radler, refreshing summer drink. That's so good. That's so good, you guys. If you don't like beer, you're like me, you don't like beer, I think you'll like this.